From a double first-class law degree at OAU to Oxford's BCL, Bukola is carrying African legal thinking into global rooms. From a first-class degree at Olabisi Onabanjo University to AI research at the University of Arkansas, Ayorinde is building systems and opening doors for other Nigerian talent. From Federal University Dutsin-Ma to a tenure-track faculty role at the University of Central Arkansas, Dr. Ademola's journey has come full circle. From pharmacy at the University of Nigeria to an Erasmus Mundus Masters in Europe, Shadrach is advancing the future of drug discovery. From first-class pharmacy at the University of Ibadan to doctoral research at Purdue, Simisola is making complex science clear. From petroleum engineering at the University of Uyo to a master's at the University of Tulsa, Imalbong now applies her expertise in the energy industry. From chemical engineering at Futo to doctoral research at the University of Michigan, Chinecherem's path shows what sustained scientific curiosity can become. From biology in Anambra to doctoral research at Drexel, Ive Anwuli studies how cells move, work with implications for healing and disease. Her story also reminds us that impact includes service. 8 journeys, different fields, one shared truth. When access meets effort, potential travels farther and returns as impact.